Good day, guys. On today's episode, we're gonna get my E92 ready for winter, and the first thing it needs is some snow tires on it. And since we're doing that, the wheels look pretty bad. So we're gonna take all of them off, order some snow tires, and we're gonna have these Rust-Oleum painted wheels taken in and aircraft cleaned, and then hydro dipped with a sweet winter pattern, and we'll get to that. Alright, so let's take it down to the garage and start getting those wheels off. Okay guys, since I don't want to leave it on jack stands for a couple of weeks while the wheels are getting hydro dipped, I'm going to see if I can dig some of these junk wheels out so I can at least move the car. They're not junk, just the tires are pretty poopy. So I'll see if we can get some of these out of here. Yeah, look at them big bad Johnnies, chrome Johnnies. These were Matt's and other MJs, and today they're gonna be mine. Yeah, those look like they'll kind of fit. They got some massive camber wear on them, so they'll definitely tuck on the inside. The lug nuts appear to fit also. They're just a mile down in there. So hopefully the pattern's all good and we'll be good to go. Well, these dope Johnnies, they're off by just a little bit. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can tell, but they just don't line up. So I guess we're gonna be leaving it on blocks, which sucks, but it's life. Okay, while I have the car jacked up, I want to spray the control arms and the inner and outer tie rods, because I know they can be problematic. And if you don't want to buy new ones, it's better if the place that does the alignment can easily get them apart. So we'll go ahead and just spray a little there and there. Spray some of these. Little penetrating fluid, you know, ain't bad for it. Same thing on this side. Just a couple of squirts. Okay guys, I got the rear off the ground now, and you can see that the control arms on the rear have these lobed bolts, and that's how you adjust the camber and toe and alignment on the rear. So you can see that, you know, this lobe is pointing down and this lobe is pointing up. Well, something's definitely wrong because it camber weared the hell out of this tire. I know these cars have a little bit of camber to come with already. If we look at this side, it has much less camber wear, and the bottom lobe is pointing down instead of up. So yeah, we'll lube these bolts up too, and hopefully they can get this sorted out when I get in alignment afterwards. Also, if you notice, your one exhaust pipe is hanging slightly lower than your other one. Turns out it's just missing a bolt for the hanger, so I'll get that fixed too. We're also going to do this vanity cover, valve cover, vanity cover. So that'll be dope. I'm gonna get that off real quick now. Okay guys, I got the valve cover, vanity cover, sound deadener off. Next I'm going to take the wheels in and have the tires taken off and the TPMS sensors taken off. And then I'll take all of this in and have it hydro dipped. Hey guys, I got the wheels for the Beamer. They're right there in the back of the truck. Look pretty dope, don't they? I'm going to go take them and have the tires put on. Show you them after that. The wheels are at the tire shop right now, getting tires put on them and TPMS sensors put back in. But I do have the engine cover done, and I can show you that. It's pretty cool. Let's check this out. Bam! Look at that. Okay, there it is, guys. Look at that sweet cryptic camo. High gloss clear on it. The VVT oil cap. I'm gonna put all the other covers back on, and I'll show you again what it looks like after that. Well, there she is, guys, looking real fine. Let's cut to the wheels. Okay, guys, I got the wheels on now. I'm gonna head to my photo spot and we'll do all the beauties and stuff, and you can check that out right now. Well guys, that's it for this episode. What do you think about my wheel and valve cover setup? Thanks for watching. If you liked it, hit that like button, leave us a comment, and share it. Peace.